Hi there, my name's Jared. I'm from Deluxe Hand Car Wash in Yarraville. So what we're going to have a look at today is this Black Ford XR6 Turbo. It has been generally well looked after. It doesn't have any deep scratching, and you can clearly see that it's been cleaned often, but like so many cars, it's just not hand polished very much. Now, it doesn't really help with this car that the paint is so soft. It's a beautiful finish, but it is a very soft clear coat, so every time you touch it, it basically scratches the car. The customer has asked for a little bit of a tidy up, so what we're going to do today is machine coat this finish. Not going to run the heaviest products we could and take out all of the scratches, but we will freshen it up. So the vehicle is a valet wash, which is a full in and out clean. We prepare the wheels, the door jambs and the wheel arches. It is then clayed and then machine finished and hand sealed. So that is a valet that's included with a full machine polish. The products we're using today is S20 Black. It's a really good light cutting product from Scholl. You'll definitely be able to see a massive difference in the finish once this car is completed. So let's have a little look around the car. At $280, it's pretty good value for a black car. We booked this car in at 10 o'clock this morning and the customer will pick it up at 3 p.m. So I hope you enjoy the results. If you've got something you need done on your car, make sure you bring it in or give us a call. We can organise a quote and to have your car restored beautifully like this one for you. Thanks for watching. Okay, so what we're seeing here is the real difference between putting a shine on a clear coat and actually cutting a clear coat. The S3 from Scholl is a fantastic cutting product. So this takes out most scratches and stains and whatnot across the car. This one here has been heavily stained with water. It looks like hard water, or it's been left out in the sun with something on top, and it's really clearly stained the painted finish. Now, if we were to use just the S20 Black, which is a much lighter cutting compound, you wouldn't get all that marking out of the paint. It would make it very shiny, but in the right light, you would still see those stains underneath. So we move up to something like this. It's much stronger. It does take longer. It costs a little bit more, but if you're looking for a perfect finish, the proof is in the footage. It's just simply amazing. It is really only the back of this car that has suffered most of the damage. So we'll continue with the S3 and then we'll finish off the entire vehicle with the S20, and I'll show you the results at the end. But this is quite a stunning result. So thank you for watching. You'll see the end result.